First, prepare chicken marination with all the ingredients mentioned. Take a clay pot, add ghee, butter or oil. Now add chopped onions and fry until light brown. Take onion, cashews and grind it till fine paste. Now add this paste into the clay pot and fry until the paste and onions turns light brown. Add 2 tomatoes, grind till fine paste and add this into the clay pot. Now the marinated chicken, take it from the refrigerator and cook for 10 minutes in a separate pan. Add dried kasuri methi and curry leaves into the clay pot. Okay, now transfer the half-cooked chicken from the pan into the clay pot. Add half cup of water and salt as per your taste and cook this for another 10 minutes in low flame. And your Matka chicken curry is ready.